Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers, in today's lesson, we will learn how to rename files. The files may be in any format and it can be converted to any format you want. Here we have formats all in videos. Okay, these are all videos and the format can be guessed from its extension, which is WMV. Now we want to change all of these files in a single command. Suppose we want them in JPG format. Okay, we will be using command prompt for that. For that, press Window R from your keyboard and type CMD over here. Now we will have to navigate to the folder where these files are lying. These files are actually on desktop with the name ASP.NET. First, we will have to switch to desktop. For that, we are using a command cd, which is short for change directory. Directory is another name used in command line interface for folder. cd asp.net. This is the folder name. ASP.NET is the folder name where these videos are. Press enter. It is said that the system cannot find the path. Okay, first we will have to switch to desktop. For that we will type cd desktop. This folder ASP.NET is basically on desktop. Okay, so first we will have to switch to desktop. Now cd ASP.NET. Now if you want to see all the files, type dir and press enter. Now you may see that all the files are over here and they are in WMV format. The command used is rename. REN is short of it. Ren, type ren, then shift 8 star dot extension of the file which we want to convert. Here in this case it is WMV star dot. Suppose we want all these files to look like images, so we will type JPG over here. Now all the files are in images format. Now the advantage is that these files cannot be opened with double click. For example, if you want to open it with double click, it is given error. Okay, so this is also a sort of security for our files. Now if we want them back in its original form, we will issue this command in reverse. How? Type ren star dot JPG, because they are all now in JPG format. Star dot WMV, which is its original version. Okay, now all the files are now back in its original form. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos if you like this one. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.